Hello there! My name is Gisela, and on this video I will be showing you how to draw a tiger. The pencil you use is very important, so for the sketch lines you will use an H or a B. Just remember not to press it too hard. Start by making a vertical line in the middle of the paper. Then you're going to draw 2 more lines at each side. They should be more or less the same distance from the center. You're going to complete the frame by adding 2 lines, one at the bottom and one at the top. This will be your reference. Divide the right side of the frame in 2 more parts and finish by making one last horizontal line in the middle. This is going to be very helpful for proportions. We will make a circle at the top of the left side. This is where the head will be. The motion line will lead the dynamic of our drawing, so make sure you do it smooth and simple. Use the middle line of the right part of the frame to draw an oval shape. It will be the thigh of the tiger. Now, moving to the left side, you're going to make 2 circles to give shape to the muscles of the chest and the front legs. Going back to the thigh, you will form the back legs by curving them to the right. The back paws are longer, so to form them, make another curve to the left. Do the same thing with the other. To form the body, you're going to join the 2 parts. For this, you're going to use the motion line we made before as a guide. Add the tail at the back. Now, we're going to focus on the head. Supposing that the tiger is looking to the front, you're going to divide the circle in 2. And then cross another line for the eyes. The shape of the eyes will be pointing up. The snout is made out of 3 geometrical shapes, a triangle and 2 ovals. This is how the sketched tiger should look like. Now I'm going to continue with a mechanic pencil with HB leads. It is softer, so the lines will look darker. You will add details to the head, always making the lines irregular to simulate the tiger's fur. Erase the guidelines you made before if you need to. The next step is adding the stripes to the face. It is symmetrical, so whatever you do in one side, repeat it on the other. Make the stripes by following the face's shape. Make them curved to simulate volume. Remark the rest of the body and add the details you missed before. The stripes of the body will follow the shape of the volume. So to help you see how they should go, make some soft guidelines. This will help you complete the body with stripes, making it look realistic. Don't forget the tail. We're almost done. For the final part, we're going to use the softer pencil. Decide where the light is coming from. If it is from the left, then all your shadows will be on the right. Start shading your drawing, keeping in mind what you decided before. If it helps, you can always add guidelines. So here's our final piece. I hope this tutorial was useful and thank you so much for watching.